Guess who this character is? Henrietta is a kind and gentle old coach who works closely with Toby. She may not be the newest or fanciest coach on Sodia, but she's full of warmth and wisdom. She's been around for a long time, and that gives her a calm, steady presence that the engines and passengers really appreciate. What's special about Henrietta is how loyal she is to Toby. The two of them make such a great team, always looking out for each other. She may not move on her own, but she's always ready to help and support in her own way. It's like she's the quiet, dependable friend who makes everything feel safe and comfortable. Even though Henrietta isn't in the spotlight much, she has her own charm. She shows that you don't need to be flashy or loud to be important. Just by being caring, patient, and reliable, Henrietta has earned a special place on the railway and in everyone's hearts. Guess who this character is? Henry is one of the big green engines on Sodia, and he's got quite a history. When he first came to the railway, he wasn't always the strongest or the most reliable. Sometimes he had trouble with his health and needed extra care. But over time, Henry grew tougher and proved that he could pull heavy trains and be just as useful as the other big engines. What's nice about Henry is that he has a gentle personality compared to some of the others. He's not as boastful as Gordon or as cheeky as James. Instead, Henry tends to be more thoughtful and calm, which makes him easy to get along with. He likes doing his work quietly and takes pride in being dependable. These days, Henry is trusted with important jobs, like pulling heavy goods trains through the countryside. He's shown everyone that even if you have a rough start, you can still become strong and reliable. That's why Henry is so well loved. He's proof that hard work and perseverance really do pay off. Guess who this character is? Hero is often called the master of the railway, and for good reason. He's a large, strong engine from Japan with a lot of experience, and he's one of the oldest engines on Sodia. When Thomas first found him, Hero was broken down and hidden away, but with help from his friends, he was restored and brought back to his full glory. What makes Hero so special is his wisdom and kindness. He doesn't just work hard, he also shares advice with the younger engines and encourages them when they're unsure of themselves. Hero never brags about his strength or history, instead, he stays humble and patient, which makes everyone respect him even more. Even though Hero has been through tough times, he's proof that no matter how old or worn out you might feel, you can always find your place again. On Sodia, he's more than just a powerful engine, he's a trusted friend and mentor who brings calm and guidance whenever it's needed. Guess who this character is? Hong-mei is a bright blue tank engine from China, and she's full of energy and confidence. She loves racing and is always eager to prove just how fast and capable she can be. When she first met Thomas, the two of them even had a little race, which showed her competitive side. But underneath that, she's really friendly and enjoys having fun. What's great about Hong-mei is that she's not just fast, she's also clever and determined. She likes to challenge herself and others, not to put them down, but to bring out their best. Her cheerful personality makes her easy to like, and she has a way of turning even a simple job into something exciting. Hong-mei shows that working hard doesn't mean you can't have fun along the way. She's adventurous, spirited, and always ready for the next challenge. That's what makes her such a memorable character. You can count on her to brighten up any day on the railway.